Good morning children. Hope you are doing good. So this class I am going to continue lesson number 6, animal homes and their babies. Okay. So last class I have explained about what is meant by habitat and different types of animals and their different type of shelters I have explained. So this class I am going to explain about animal babies. Okay. See, everyone take out page number 148. Okay. Animal will give birth to young ones. Their babies mostly look like their parents. The animals take care of their babies. They feed and keep them safe. See, the animals will be giving birth to young ones. So it will be happening in two ways. Either it will be laying eggs or it will be giving a birth to directly. There is a two kind of reproduction it is there for animals. Directly it will be laying the eggs. For example, you can see the hen, it will be laying the eggs. From the eggs we can able to see the chicks, it will come out of the eggshell. Okay, like for example, you can take a human, dog or a cat. So it will be giving a birth to the young ones. Okay, they do not lay the egg, directly they will be giving a birth to young ones. So like this two type of reproduction it will be there in the animals. Okay, so now we are going to see the detail about animals and their babies. Okay, most of the animal, maybe it is giving a birth to directly or egg laying animal, whichever it is, the young ones, no, it will look like the same to their parents. Okay, they will be same resemblance of their parents. Always the young ones we used to keep in a very safety place. Also we used to feed them on time. Okay, so that is the parenting. Now we are going to see the animals name and their babies. Okay, the first one they are given a bitch as puppy. The bitch is nothing but is a dog. Okay, the dog it will be giving to the birth to the young one, so that name it is called as a puppy. Okay, and the cat, young one name it is called as a kitten. Next, cow, the young one name it is called as a calf. Elephant or a monkey, the young one's name it is called as a baby. Next, duck, the young one name it is called as a duckling. And hen, the young one name it is called as a chicken. And goat, the young one name it is called as a kids. The horse, the young one name it is called as a colt. Deer, the young one name it is called as a fawn. Pig, and young one name it is called as a piglet. Okay, for lion, the young one name it is called as a cub. Okay, so like that, even the frog also, the young one name it is called as a tadpoles. Okay, so these all are young ones names. I am going to repeat once again. You have to listen to me carefully, children. The dog, young one name it is called as a puppy. Cat, kitten. Cow, calf. Elephant or a monkey, the young one name it is called as a baby. Frog, the young one name it is called as a tadpoles. Duck, duckling. Hen, chicken. Goat, kids. Horse, colt. Deer, fawn. Pig, piglet. Okay, so these are the animals and their young ones name. Okay, you have to read that, children, it is very important. Okay, and some animals lay eggs. Young babies hatch out from their eggs. Some of this animal take care of their babies. Okay, here birds look after a babies in a nest. The parent got food for the babies. Here you can able to see the birds, which are the young one, it will come out of the eggshell. Okay, so it will be growing in a nest. Also the parent birds, it will be bring food for them. Okay, so that is called as a parenting. And like that, for even the hens also, it will be giving a small worms or it will be giving a grains to the young ones to feed that. Okay, and frog and fishes do not care about their babies. Few of them they will be taking a proper care, and few animals it won't take a proper care. For example, frog and fishes, once it will lay the eggs, no, so it won't take care of their young ones. Okay, by themselves it will grow up. So these are the animals and their babies. So you have to go through the lesson, children, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in an interactive session. Now we'll move on for a revision part. The place where the animal lives, it is called as a habitat. Some wild animal like elephants lives in a group or herds. Honeybees lives in a groups. Each group is called as a swarm. Ant leaves undergrow a large group of colonies, and few ants it will make a small hills, that is called as a ant hills. Some animals carry their homes with them. For example, turtle, tortoise and snake. Okay, so this shells it is considered as a home for them. Animals give birth to young ones. Some animals will lay eggs. For example of egg laying animal, already I have explained: hen, duck, crocodiles, fish, snake, fish, frog. So this all animals it will be laying the egg, and few animals it will be taking care of young ones, and few animals it won't take care of their young ones. Giving birth to the young ones, example man, dog, cat, lion. So like this we can able to give a different example. Okay, next, frog and fish do not take care of their babies. Okay, next we'll move on for a textbook exercise. Now everyone take out page number 149. A mean, that is fill in the blanks. The first one, animals are found every part of the dash. It can able to found in every part of the world. Okay, and second one, they need dash to protect themselves from heat, rain, cold and their enemies. They should have proper shelter. Okay, the answer is shelter. Next, third one, that is the place where animal lives, it is called as a habitat. Answer is habitat. And fourth one, animals like lion, tiger, hyena dash other animals like a deer. It will hunt other animal. Answer is hunt. Next, fifth one, some wild animals like elephants lives in a dash or a dash. So it will be living in a groups. Also it is called as a herds. So first dash you have to write groups, and second dash you have to write herd. Okay, write neatly, children. You have to use pencil and you have to write. Okay, and next we'll move on for a next main. So that is B main. Write true or false. Okay, based on the statement. The first one, the honeybees lives in a group. So each group it is called as a swarm. Yes, honeybees always it will be living in a group. That group name it is called as a swarm. So this statement is true. So you have to put a T over there. And next, second one, ant live underground. A large group are called village. No, this ant it will be living in that underground. That place name it is called as a ant hills. It will make a hills. That name it is not as a village. It is called as a ant hills. So this statement is false. Next, third one, some animal carry their homes with them. Yes, few animals, for example turtle, tortoise and snails, the shell it is considered as a home. Always it will be carrying their home. Okay, the answer is true. Next, fourth one, we make houses for our pet or domestic animal. Yes, we make a pet animal for domestic animal. We make a shelter for them. For example, dog will make a kennel, and horse will make like a stable, and a cow will make as a shed. So like this we will be giving a different type of houses. Okay, different types of homes for domestic and pet animal. So this statement is true. And fifth one, a baby frog is called as a fawn. No, the baby frog, the name it is called as a tadpole. Okay, so here the statement is false. Next we'll move on for a C main. So that is, give one word for the following. The first one, a group of honeybee is called dash. It is called as a swarm. It is called as a swamp. Okay. And second one, the place where the animal lives is called habitat. The place where the animal lives, it is called as a habitat. 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 And third one, lion lives in the place name, it is called as a den. D-E-N. Next, fourth one, ant live underground a large group, it is called as colonies. Okay, it will be always living in a colonies. Okay, C-O-L-O-N-I-E-S, colonies. And fifth one, the young one of the bitch, it is called as a puppy. The bitch is nothing but is a dog. It is a female dog. So that that young one name, it is called as a puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Okay. Write neatly, children. Don't make any mistake. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in a interactive session. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.